This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Becky Gordon. Beautiful home sitting on almost a half-acre lot in the highly desired Kings Grant neighborhood. Open floor plan with spacious family room, fireplace, dining room, and a newly renovated kitchen in 2021. Quartz countertops, subway tile backsplash, stainless steel appliances. Bathrooms were also renovated in 2021 featuring beautiful tile surrounds, updated vanities, shiplap, and new fixtures. Downstairs includes another living room, half bath, and the laundry room inside. Open the beautiful French doors off the dining room to a large sunroom overlooking the park-like backyard with custom patio ready for social gatherings. Large oversized 2-car garage, newer windows, HVAC carpet, and so much more. Must see today. For more information, review the details below.